Hello friends, welcome to Easy Garden. Please subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon for future notification. Today we will be discussing how to get a healthy hibiscus plant. Almost everybody has hibiscus plant in their home. Hibiscus is a hardy plant and can be grown up with medium care. But to make the plant healthy, certain things needs to be taken care. Today we'll be discussing those things which can make your plant healthy and blooming. To make the plant healthy, keep the plant clean always. Remove weeds time to time. Do repotting and pruning once in a year. Normally I do repotting in the month of Feb. While repotting, prepare soil preparation is very important. Add 30% sand, 30% vermicompost or cow dung compost and 40% garden soil, and have some neem coal on top of it. Potting soil mixture is very important to keep the plant healthy in rainy season. After repotting, apply NPK and bone dust to the soil in once in every month, and apply liquid organic fertilizer, mainly mustard cake and tea leaf solution. Now if you look into this plant is already clean, so I'll directly apply the NPK, bone dust and neem coal on the soil. So now I'll show how I am applying those ingredients. This is the NPK. I will add it into the soil. So quantity of the NPK has to be less, otherwise it will harm your plant. Just need to 5 to 10 grams of NPK throughout the plant, throughout the soil. Okay, only 5 to 10 grams of NPK. Please do not apply more NPK, then it will damage or even your plant can die. Now I will add some bone dust. So bone dust, you can add it near about 50 grams to 100 grams, you can add it. So I am adding near about 50 grams of bone dust. I am adding it now. So this is the bone dust, I am adding it, and you can add it throughout the container. Now I will add the neem coal. Neem coal we need to add in near about 50 grams. It will help your plant and no insect will normally it. Okay, so this is the neem coal I am applying it. Here neem coal also will be applying near about 50 grams, and we will be applying this NPK, neem coal and bone dust once in every month. Now I need to mix them with the soil. I am mixing it. It's very much required because I have just applied it. I need to mix it with the soil. So now it is mixed very well with the soil, and I will add some water after it. Now I am adding the water. Adding water is very important. Once you apply the adding fertilizer is not alone sufficient to keep the plant healthy. We need to apply insecticides and fungicide also time to time. Normally, I apply insecticides and fungicide once in every 2 weeks. I I use Ekka. You can see this is the Ekka. I use it to remove the mealybugs mainly, and I use fungicide Saf for to remove fungal attack. I take 2 grams of Ekka powder, which is the insecticides, and 2 grams of Saf powder, which is fungicide, in 1 liter water and spray on the plant. I apply liquid organic fertilizer once in every week. I prepare a mixture of mustard cake, tea leaves, coffee leaves with water and apply on the plant. I apply throughout the year and frequency is once in a week. This will help you to keep your plant healthy and green throughout the year, and help you it will help on the blooming also. I have prepared this mixture with mustard cake, tea leaves and coffee leaves, and this mixture is 4 days old. So when you are preparing the mixture, keep in mind that it needs to be 3-4 days old before applying to the plant. So now this is the tea leaves, coffee leaves I have used it, and tea leaves I have used in this mixture. Now I will be applying it on the plant. Now I am applying it, so it should be fine now. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon for future notification. Thank you.